So Mobility Goes Additive has its premises in Berlin, which is the capital of additive manufacturing, and therefore we need a lot of contacts. Here we can meet all of our members, and we also meet a lot of users, which might not have booths, but we have them in talks, and the quality level is very high.
Boeing is always looking to onboard the latest technologies. Anything that adds value to Boeing business cases, to Boeing products, right? And so we want to see what the latest developments are and really to stay on top of that. And Formnext, I think, is fair to say, has it all.
For us, Formnext is so important to be here because we have outreach to the whole world. We are a scale-up and we see so many decision makers over here. There's no other place than this to challenge the vision and make it work.
Yeah, so of course Formnext, I mean, that's the big event for us in the year. So everything that we do when it comes to product launches is always around, we always plan it to launch at Formnext. So of course this is very important for us.
Formnext is so important to AM Ventures because everyone is here. This is where the decision makers from all over the world are gathering 1 week per year in Frankfurt. This is where you have to be if you want to do something, if you want to build a business in our industry. This is where you have to be.